bugger. The last time I covered this topic, it went quite well in terms of the number of people that watched it, and the response it got was great. So I thought it would be interesting to dig deeper into this area to uncover more ways to increase your income that are definitely not side hustles. Why spend time and energy trying to start a side hustle when you can get paid more doing what you already do? If you're looking to increase your salary, then route one, the first and most obvious move, is to negotiate a salary increase in your current job. And to succeed in this, here are 5 points that will maximize your chance of getting that pay raise. Do some research to get an understanding of how much other people are paid doing similar work in your company's sector or industry. So you can use websites like Glassdoor, Payscale, or LinkedIn to give you an idea of the range of salaries in your area. Keep up to date with the company's performance. Don't ask for a raise if they've just had a terrible quarter. Assuming the company is doing well, still choose your moment carefully. Good opportunities to bring up a pay raise are at performance reviews, after completing a successful project, or when you've taken on some additional responsibilities. Learn how to clearly promote and communicate your value to the company. Practice explaining how your work has positively affected the bottom line, improved efficiency, or helped the company meet its goals. Offer to take work off your boss. Stand in for them when they're away. Be a vocal contributor in team calls and have a point of view on how you think the team or unit can improve what they do. Be open to discussion and negotiation. If your boss can't meet your salary expectations, bring up other areas that they can compensate, like company benefits, stock options, bonuses, or other perks. Privately put a value on flexible working or working from home. If they can't give you more money, well, maybe they can give you more flexible working arrangements. Look, this next one is really important. If your company will pay you for the skills and time you offer them, well, why wouldn't others do the same? But at a rate that you set and for work that you choose to do. Enter the world of freelancing. We might say, well, freelancing is just a side hustle, and in a way it is, but it's one that leverages your existing skill set and can be used to form a virtuous circle where your freelance work improves your ability to perform your main job, which in turn helps to improve your skills as a freelancer. So if you're interested in this, then here's a few steps to get started. Understand what skills and expertise you can offer as a freelancer. Don't forget about those softer skills like project management, consulting, or any other skill within your job. Finding work as a freelancer these days is a lot easier than it used to be. You can join online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to get work. They allow you to create a profile that showcases your experience and skills. Do a little bit of research to price your services competitively. Start with reasonable rates to attract clients and build your freelance reputation. Freelancing can be a low-risk way to generate additional income using your existing expertise, all the while maintaining your primary role. I think it's a mistake to focus only on side hustles to increase your income. Actually, a much better way to do this is to leverage the value inherent in your network. Whatever your role, expanding your professional network can open up doors to new skills, partnerships, and potentially higher paying positions in both your current company and others. And here's how you can make the most of your networking efforts. Whenever you get the chance, go to industry conferences, seminars, and trade shows. These events provide excellent opportunities to connect with like-minded professionals and potential collaborators. You'll learn what's going on in your industry, and it will help you develop relationships with people who can help you move up in your career. Not to mention, it will show you what new learning objectives to target, what skills are in demand, and what direction your industry is going in. Even if you don't have opportunities to attend live networking events, you can still do a lot with online professional social networks like LinkedIn to connect with industry leaders and peers. Share posts and interesting points of view on topics in your industry. Comment on and start conversations on posts of leaders in your industry. Now, networks are great for generating new contacts, leads, and insights into your industry or sector, but the power move is to exploit the knowledge of those who've gone before. Mentors. Now, it really is one of the most powerful things you can do for your career and even life in general. Getting a mentor has so many benefits, I can't recommend it strongly enough. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Instead of spending hours learning from your own mistakes, which can be very costly, why not take advantage of those who've gone before and learn from their mistakes? This is what makes mentors so impactful. You get 20, 30, or even more years of experience given to you on a plate without having to go through all of that yourself. So here are 4 ways a mentor can take your career and income to the next level. A mentor can provide valuable insights and advice. and they can help you make informed decisions related to your career. You can take full advantage of years of hard-won lessons to inform your own career direction. A mentor can identify your strengths and weaknesses and help you improve your skills. Now, this could be in areas directly related to your role or in broader skills like leadership, communication, and even help with promotions that can contribute to your income growth. Another great thing about mentors is that they often have established networks in your industry. They can introduce you to key contacts, gatekeepers to promotion, or new employers in different companies, which can open up new job offers and roles and salary increases. Whatever role you're in, a mentor can help you navigate the corporate landscape, identify growth opportunities, and mentor you in ways that will position you for promotion and salary increase. Finally, a mentor can hold you accountable for your goals and provide the motivation you need to achieve them. But before you think about increasing your income, why not maximize your ability to keep more of your existing income? Now, there are ways to keep more of what you earn, and the wealthy are very good at playing this game, and it's called tax optimization. But it's not just for the wealthy. And this isn't about evading taxes, but rather about using legal methods to reduce your tax liability. And so here are some of the steps involved in doing this. First, hire a tax advisor or an accountant to help you identify any tax deductions or credits specific to your profession. They can also assist in effective tax planning. Not to mention, they should ensure that you stay within the law. Tax can be complicated, so best get the experts in to help. If you have any business-related expenses, ensure to keep meticulous records and receipts, as they can be tax deductible. Again, use your tax advisor and accountant to process your tax deductibles to maximize your savings and keep more of your income. Be as tax efficient as you can with your savings and investments. Make sure you're making contributions to tax-efficient retirement accounts like the 401k or a Roth IRA. These contributions are tax deductible and can grow tax-free until retirement. And investing in a tax-efficient way is actually one of the very easiest things you can do to keep more of what you earn. And in the playlist on screen now, I explain investing for the complete beginner. And if you want to explore this option, it's a great place to start. I'll see you over there.